Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing your audio so the spectrum reads cleanly. Use a WAV or AIF, set your composition frame rate, and match resolution to your deliverable. Once imported, place the audio layer into the timeline and scrub to locate a strong transient to anchor the visualization. Make sure to press LL to reveal the audio waveform or convert to keyframes if you prefer manual control. This gives After Effects clear amplitude data to drive the spectrum effect reliably as you proceed. You now apply Effect Generate Audio Spectrum to a new solid above the audio layer. In the Effect controls, set the audio layer to the clip you imported. This tells After Effects which sound to analyze. Next, tweak FFT size and frequency bands to balance detail versus smoothness. Higher FFT reveals detail, but costs performance. Then set start and end frequency to focus bass or highs, and use maximum height, thickness, and color controls to make the visualization readable and visually pleasing. You finish by animating visual parameters to match musical structure. Keyframe maximum height, color, or opacity to emphasize choruses or drops. Once done, pre-compose the spectrum so you can add blur, glow, or track mats without breaking the audio link. Make sure to preview with RAM or AirPlayback to confirm sync. When satisfied, export through Media Encoder or render Q using a lossless intermediates if needed. If the spectrum lags, reduce FFT or pre-render the solid to troubleshoot.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.